after I've had my wisdom teeth extracted, how long do I need to stay out of a pool? Hi, this is Dr. Daniel Choi with North Texas Dental Surgery, and I wanted to go over a question that I've actually heard a few times this past year when extracting wisdom teeth. So I've had several teenager or patients in their 20s have to get their wisdom teeth removed, and whether they were a competitive swimmer or it's the summertime and they want to go enjoy the pool, or they're a lifeguard, a parent's or the patient typically asks, okay, so after I've had my wisdom teeth extracted, how long do I need to stay out of a pool? And so even today it was kind of funny because I was reading CNN.com and I was reading a story about a certain parasite called Cryptosporidium, or I can't remember exactly what it was called, but they were calling it crypto for short. But it's a fecal bacteria that exists in pools and can cause issues with adults, teenagers, and etc. But you know, we all know that basically chlorine, we chlorinate pools for a reason, to try to kill as much bacteria as possible. But we know that chlorine can't kill everything. So kind of coming back to what we're talking about in regards to after we take your wisdom teeth out. After we take your wisdom teeth out, there's going to be a hole in your jaw, and what typically happens is that the gum tissue starts immediately trying to seal over the area. Now, after taking out your wisdom teeth, there is a significant hole back in your jaw, so you know, to kind of completely heal over that hole, some people are different. That healing process could take 2 weeks up to a month. And so to answer patients in regards to when it's really safe to go in, well, the best answer really is the safest is going to be 1 month, right? Around that time point where we get full gum tissue closure over that area. But if you do a little research, typically people will say that as long as you do your course of antibiotics after the procedure of a week long and keep your mouth nice and clean, and if you do have an open hole back here, that you do use your irrigation syringe that you were given by your surgical specialist after you do your wisdom teeth extractions, and then you keep your sockets nice and clean by irrigating with the prescription mouth rinse that we give you, or salt water. But if you do these things, then you can really help keep your sockets clean and avoid the risk of potential infection. So again, if you ask me, the safest answer would be around the 1 month mark, but patients typically can go in as soon as 2 weeks after their procedure. But again, please keep in mind, try to not go submerge your head underwater if possible, just to lessen the risk. And also, after any potential encounter with a pool, getting any of the water in your mouth, you definitely want to potentially irrigate your sockets with this and some chlorhexidine. So hopefully that answers any questions that you may have about that.